rack is a good way to outfit your maintenance supply room with storage. With this type of shelving, wide span shelving or bulk storage rack, you can put all different types of corrugated boxes, motors, different items like that. These particular sections are 7 foot high with 6 foot wide shelves and 8 foot wide shelves, and we've got it 36 inches deep and also some that are 24 inches deep. We can do 3 shelf levels, 4 shelf levels or more, and a key component to this system is you can use solid steel decking as your shelf level. That allows you to not have any holes, or it provides a really good storage level for you. And this system basically comes with uprights, front and back beams, and then front to back beam ties and the steel shelving unit, steel shelves. So it's very easy to put together, very effective, has good capacity, and looks nice.